Hey guys, welcome again to another video. Today I'm pampering myself. I'm getting my hair shampooed at the salon. My lovely friend is doing my hair for me. So I'm getting it washed because I have eczema on my scalp. So I'm just trying to, take care of myself today. Finish working early, so just getting a shampoo from my lovely friend here. So I'm getting my hair washed and I'm going to be doing a pedicure today as well, guys. So I'm getting this nice lovely power wash, as she says. I had to mute the sound because in the shop was a bit noisy as usual. Salons normally have a lot of noise. Well, I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are keeping safe and you are having a lovely day. So welcome to my channel. My friend here, water soap got in my eyes, so I'm just trying to get out a little of it with a towel, but it wasn't bad, so I didn't have to rinse it out. And we're using that little I don't ever remember what they call it. It's something that you use to massage the scalp. It's very soft, so it helps to massage the scalp, make your scalp feel nice and clean. So yes guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. All those who are new, welcome to my channel. I am Kay. Welcome to my channel. On this channel I do mostly cooking and hair videos. So guys, I hope you are all being good. I hope you are all praying up because times are very serious. We have to keep prayed up. Pray for one, pray one for another, and just take care of our nice clean cells, right guys? So I'm here just, all our vibes. I enjoy the look of pampering, which I don't get very often. But, all the thing goes sometimes busy, but you have to take care of yourself sometimes. Yes, guys. The warm water feels so nice on my scalp. So I speed up this part, guys, because it was a bit lengthy. I normally use the Selsun Blue shampoo to wash my hair, but I didn't take it with me, so I'm just using the regular shampoo today, the Tresemme. So I will be getting my hair set now. So I'm going to be roller setting my hair, and I'm going to go under the dryer, which I hate so much. So my friend is doing my foot, so I'm getting my pedicure done now by my friend Paula.
And if me teeth me like
girl, I get her foot. So girl afraid her foot bottom, so tell her to take her
tickle bad.
So I get a nice little
Paula must look like enough things up on my foot.
Get my foot massage
show
and
the
everything.
pedicure section. I should have the only something to the front way. Never stop. Oh my god. You feel like that.
I'm not telling a lie, guys. She did a good job. She did a very good job.
Minimum.
So guys, I normally wear tips on my toes, and I noticed that it got some water soak, so it has a little dark greenish color. So I have to go get something at the pharmacy to get rid of that out of one of my toenails. So girl foot I get nice scrub down and massage. So we're using the scrub and we're using our honey scrub there. So guys, this is another day. I went to the beach with my friends. They came and they pulled me out of the house just to go get a little air out, breeze out on the beach. So I didn't swim, but I was just there. It was so nice and relaxing and cool. The water was a bit dirty though with seaweed. So the front part of the water had seaweed, but when you go out somewhere the water nice and clean. But I washed my hair the day before and set it. I didn't want to get my hair wet. Plus I don't really like the seaweed, so I just cool out and just relax and enjoy the nice breeze. So this is up by Helsha. So these are my friends here. This is where we're cooling out. So that's Marsha and my other friend. That's her friend, a matter of fact. So we happened to bump into each other there. She happened to bump into her friend there, and my friend came for me. So she's here always. I do some dance thing, but she can't dance, but she always I try to do something. Girl always full of excitement, you know. One life we have to live, peeps, so we have to just try to enjoy it right. Just listening to the ocean is just so relaxing, guys. Believe you, I spent about 3 hours there and the hours were well spent. The time went by so quickly though. And you know what, look at music I play and thing, and my friend I try dance again. Just enjoy ourselves. Just the 3 of us. Yep. Guys, life is short. We nobody know when it's their time, so we have to live, love and laugh. So you notice, guys, I keep looking video in the ocean. Just a video myself. You see the water is clear, the water is clean, but the seaweed, I just hate the seaweed. So guys, we're getting ready to go home now. It's almost time. My friend is there swimming. And she did have to take a dip, you know. You know, guys, I hardly go to beach and don't swim. It's like I felt as if I didn't go to the beach, but the relaxation was good. And the sun was really hot. So we took some pictures before we left. So, you know, just take a little picture, couple pictures. And if you have made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching.